missing a wing, but it didn't really need one actually. It's quite good.
Yeah.
So, diesel, 420.
420.
Hey, hey, 420.
No, I got it. Okay.
But it's not smoking actually. It doesn't make a bit, a bit, but not as much as like it could, like a fast diesel.
Only
So.
stage 1, so.
Yeah. No, nice. All right. All the jokes aside, we have a modified diesel BMW among us. I've done one or 2 years ago. The video is still members only. I haven't released it yet. Maybe I will. Probably. Maybe not. I don't know. But this one, for sure, for public, yes. And this probably was members only first. So for everyone keeps asking, like, oh, you're only making videos members only. People who pay get something extra. Everyone else gets free video day as well anyway. Not taking anything away from anyone. But people who support the channel more get something more in return. Having said that, let's go get back to the car and tell you more about it. So 420 stock power is...
220.
And now-ish? Now?
Now it has 220.
Ah, now it has 220.
Yeah.
It's still stock or what?
No, in stock it has 135 kilowatts. I don't know how it's in.
Yeah, so like probably 160, 80 or something, 180.
So
Yeah.
it's only stage 1, so,
Yeah.
so it's completely stock. Suspension, it's BCRM.
Mm-hmm.
In the front we have M Sport brakes with 30 pads.
Yeah, it has quite some interesting tires. What are those?
It's Vitour.
Where's it from?
It's from USA.
Okay.
Now you can order it in Europe as well.
Okay. Nice. Interesting.
Yeah, it's very interesting comparing to the Nankang's TRS. So
Yeah.
you like the opinion?
Yeah, I liked it because obviously I've done a lap already. You can see that they're quite old, so actually I was a bit complaining about understeer, blaming it on possibly the lack of camber, but I think it's more literal lack of tire tread. That was the issue. Brake pads, there was also something interesting.
Yeah, it's Freetech. They made it in Italy.
Okay,
So we selling in Lithuania, so
nice.
we have only them. So
Okay, yeah, why not? If it works, it works.
Yeah.
The car has fiberglass bonnet. Is it worth looking underneath? Nah.
Dirty diesel.
Can we see? We loved it. Okay. Yeah. So that's why there was always warning for there is. Oh, look at that fiberglass. Yeah. Yeah, dirty diesel, but still cleaner than the average E36. So that's actually quite good. 4-cylinder. Yeah, all nice, clean. All is nice, fancy. The good thing about this is that although it's relatively warm today, as you can see, sun is shining for once. I think around 27 degrees or so, so it is hot-ish. Flat out, high in the revs, Kesselchen climb. Usually cars die there, get overheated. This one, no problem. Didn't spray any coolant or something. I don't know what those spots are, but they're dry, so that's all old. Yeah, everything looks tip-top. At least on my lap, it survived. For the rest of the inside, all cleaned, all empty. Different seats, harnesses, roll bar, half cage, all nice and dandy. Beautiful Alcantara wheel-ish. So it works. So yeah, thanks for the lap.
Thanks.
And yeah, hope to do some more stuff with you.
It was
With the yeah, maybe we'll do some highway racing.
Oh.
Yeah, we'll do
I
that.
want that.
Yeah. For people who don't know, in Lithuania there is something really cool happening. But even GT3 cars, right? Like,
Yeah.
because I think my Black Falcon teammate Dan, he was I think he was P2 or something with the AMG GT3 this year overall.
Yeah, this year it's
Yeah.
second. Last year they are first.
Yeah, with Adam Christodoulou and everything here.
Yeah.
So yeah, we can maybe take something weird to be among the GT3 cars racing on the highway, because Anyway, start talking nonsense. Enjoy the lap. Enjoy a bit of smoke, because diesel life. Yeah. Alrighty. Okay, welcome on track. Lots of torques. I don't know how many, but hopefully some. Let's charge ourselves down and proceed. the window up. For everyone asking why I never upshift or like always start in the first gear from acceleration, with a diesel you can do a second gear. It's quite loud for a diesel. I don't know how many gears we have, but we're in the 6th. Upshift to 7, no problem whatsoever. Handling feels quite good so far. Brakes are alright as well. I wonder how often do I need to downshift. Woohoo! One tire fire. Is that MR2? Looks like MR2. Was a Serbian license plate. I didn't pay clear attention. I think I heard the GoPro switch off. Let's double check. Sorry, it's just me traumatized. You can let go the steering wheel under braking to do sync lap with your cameras, so the setup is quite good. I don't know why he has his what's it called? The indicator to the left. Very fast E46 behind us. Woohoo! Yeah. Needs a bit of more camber. Woohoo! I don't know what the shift points are. I'm just doing somewhere around 4,000. That should be okay. Woo! I was expecting a big scrape, but overall, very nice and balanced car. Nice. It's super neutral, super easy to drive. It has some sort of emotion coming from the back. It's not smoking, so that's also good. We have lots of Slavic countries here today. I saw now Czech Republic, Latvia, or Lithuania. Serbia, I think, as well, the MR2. We have UK, we have the German ring taxi, of course, ahead of us. Bit of understeer on the front, so yeah. You can say needs a bit of work on the front. But it's really not horrible, but could be better. One thing I want to say, if you guys want to have a lap in the M5 CS, you should do it now, because it may not be around for long. Because I spoke to Ring Taxi and they said they're starting to get issues to get replacement parts because there's so very few of them made. So once you need something special for that car, it's getting very difficult. The cost of running such a car as a taxi is difficult, but it's very unique and special. I don't know if it makes sense to upshift. Definitely not downshift. Torque is enough to pull it through, so Polo is on the ideal line, have to go on the outside. Nice and cruising. Polish. Wrong indicator, but we went for it. Oh, yellow flag, how sad. No, overall I'm happy. I mean, it's super cool, balanced car. You have plenty of torque. Of course, not enough, not as much emotion as you would have with like a proper, very fast car. Internally with a gasoline-powered car, it's still good enough. You have torque, you have handling, you have brakes. What else would you need? Reminder, in public sessions you do not have green flag, unlike on track days and racing, so you just need to assume that you can go. So if the sign is not showing any yellow, then you're good. Oh, that felt like fuel surge. The car cut out a bit. Very cool. Good fun. And now welcome to the traffic jam. So the right lane is to go through the car park. The left lane is to get off the track. So we're gonna take the left lane. So if someone's gonna ask why you're skipping the queue, because I don't want to go to the car park, I want to leave. I loved it. It was nice. Now we can enjoy. Oh, well, what's happening there? I think passenger got sick maybe. So you can see a lady squatting down, wiping her mouth. Uh-oh. Yeah. It's not the best places to stop, but yeah. It is what it is. You okay? You drove too fast. Anyway, something's making noise. I loved it. It's very cool. Yeah, it needs a bit more suspension work, more camber on the front, because it's really understeering, and with semi-slicks that shouldn't be the case. So this means, yeah, it definitely needs some extra work. But other than that, power, enough to have fun, to be safe. You can probably do 20 laps on the tank, over exaggerated of course. But what else do you want? Yeah, a bit more camber. Brakes are fine, can be a bit more, but it was fine as is. So engine didn't overheat. Happy. Good car. Really good car. What time we live now? Oh, 7. This means today's video has been published right now, so I need to jump on the comments. So if I'm late, I apologize. I was doing laps. And track is only open for 30 more minutes, so maybe I'll do one more lap if I get in time to my next car. The track was shut before for almost an hour. Yeah. Aber ja. In any case. Yeah, thank you everyone for a great lap. I hope you guys enjoyed. I definitely have.